Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Let me show you what can happen if you drive this gen of Toyota Tacoma SR5 4-wheel drive. You hit the pothole, because that's exactly what the customer of my landlord shop, which is right here, it's exactly what they said. They said we hit the pothole and this is what happened, and the truck was towed here to be repaired. I don't know the mileage, I don't know the year of this taco, but you recognize the generation. And here comes the revelation. Look at this. Do you see what I see? There's nothing here, right? Should be the wheel. We were just standing on the other side. So look at it. Let's follow together. Lower ball joint, upper ball joint, speed sensor cable. Where is the brake line cable? Brake line, I shouldn't call it cable. So ripped off right there, all the way there. The strut, the bottom might be okay. The lower arm might be okay, we don't know. CV axle completely ripped out. The steering completely ripped off. We don't see, right? We will have to remove the dust boot first, but that inner tie rod, I believe it's all ripped out. Everything is completely gone. Look at that. That CV axle. Wife's calling, have to answer. So what do you think about this carnage? Isn't this insane? Absolute huge damage. I wonder how they will deal with it, what they will do, if they will go through stages, or how they will assess all the damages, because you don't know exactly. For example, in that front diff, if it's damaged inside or not. I didn't talk to them about that, I just want to show you. Obviously this is all bended out, it just doesn't end there only. As the tire hit that inside right here, right? It's most likely was all damaged by that accident. You have to just pay attention, right? It's not just that stuff, it's even the body, because there's nothing wrong with it on the other side. So this is very sad. It's a nice Toyota. I want to show you the parts. I was able to move this cover right here. It's actually as I expected. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible opportunity to see all of it. I hope you can see it nicely. I just moved that cover, as I said. Look at that. So this is what we were saying, right? That's that speed sensor wire. This is that brake line. This is the tie rod from the steering. How it's ripped out. You can see how these ball joints were seated there, correct? I didn't even look at it so much detail yet. Do you see that? How it popped out? These are the rubber covers. That's the wheel. I didn't turn it around and I won't touch it anymore. It's not my property, but I want to show you all of this stuff, how it apparently came off. These things unfortunately happen. I don't know what gave first, what was the reason why this whole wheel was dislocated, disconnected from the vehicle. Everything gave, everything got ripped out. It's very sad to see it. Doesn't make me happy at all. I'm sure it will be headache for the owner. I don't know if you can use insurance for this or how this works, right? I have no idea. But this is what it is. It's brutal. And these things happen. I believe the driver was okay, and that's at the end all what matters. Just wanted to show you this really quick when nobody's here. There's not all that movement in the parking lot and all the noises. This was a great opportunity after hours to film this for you, because you don't see this every day, don't you? So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it thumb up, be subscribed. I have always more stuff about Toyotas coming your way soon. I will see you later, my friend.